So, hello students. Now we are going to start chapter 3 Constitutional Design of your politics books. Students, in previous book we have read about South Africa's struggle. Now in this video we are going to study why do we need a constitution. Means हमें constitution की आवश्यकता क्यों पड़ती है. What is the importance of the constitution. We will study about these things in this chapter. Students, as we take the example of South Africa, we understood very well that why the constitution is necessary for any democratic country. In this country, we see that after getting independence in South Africa, how the both group, means Britishers and South African, agree that will live together in that country equally. But the problem was one, that how they will create trust to each other, because they have some fears for themselves. What was the fear? Especially in South African has fear about their social and economic right, and the minority, means who were the Britishers, they have fear to protect their privilege and property. Now, how this fear will remove from them, and what thing which assure them that they no need to fear and no one can harm their right and their value. And that thing was constitution. Means constitution is playing very important role to maintain their trust that no one will take away their right whatever provided through the constitution. Like that, students, we can understand that what is the value of the constitution and how it's playing effective role for the democratic country and to survive the people freely in their country. Students, if we want to understand very well about the constitution, we need to know the definition of the constitution. So, let's see that what is the definition of the constitution. The definition of the constitution is: the constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all people living together in a country. Means constitution वह एक लिखित प्रारूप होता है जो उस देश में रहने वाले सारे देशवासियों के द्वारा स्वीकार किया गया रहता है. Constitution is the supreme law that determines the relationship among people living in a territory, means who are the citizens in that country, and also the relationship between the people and government. Means this constitution established the relationship between the government and the citizens, and limited their rights and tell them that wherever their right and where their right is end. A constitution does many things. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डज मैनी थिंग, मीन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो होता है वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे लिए करता है. लेट्स वी रीड फैक्ट of the constitution one by one, which has given below. The first fact is it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. Means the first fact, यानी जो पहला इसका फैक्ट है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, ये क्या करता है कि लोगों के बीच विश्वास और सामंजस्य स्थापित करने का काम करता है. The second fact is it specifies how the government will be constituted, who will have power to take which decision. मीन्स ये भी डिसाइड करता है कि जो गवर्नमेंट है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड जो गवर्नमेंट है, उसके पास कितनी पावर होगी और वह किस तरह से डिसीजन लेगा और उस पावर का उपयोग करेगा. The third fact is it lays down limits on the powers of the government and tells us what the right of the citizens are. Means यह गवर्नमेंट के पावर को भी लिमिटेड करता है, नियंत्रित करता है, और सिटीजन्स के क्या अधिकार हैं उसको भी ये सुनिश्चित करता है. And the fourth fact is, it expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. लोगों को इस बात के लिए, उनकी इच्छाओं को सुनिश्चित करने के लिए यह एक सही और अच्छे समाज का भी निर्माण करने में मदद करता है. Thus student we can say that Constitution is playing very important role for living smooth and better life of any country's people. Now see that what is saying about democratic and not democratic country, what is the important for these type countries of the constitution. So all countries that have constitutions are not necessarily democratic, means वो सारे देशों में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होते हैं, लेकिन ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो सारे देश डेमोक्रेटिक हुई हों, लेकिन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होता है. बट ऑल कंट्रीज दैट आर डेमोक्रेटिक विल हैव कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. बट who are the country which is democratic, that country must need constitution. After the war of independence against Great Britain, the American gave themselves a constitution. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम देख सकते हैं कि ग्रेट ब्रिटेन से आज़ादी के बाद अमेरिका ने अपना खुद का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया था. आफ्टर द रिवॉल्यूशन द फ्रेंच पीपल अप्रूव्ड अ डेमोक्रेटिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. फ्रांस में जो क्रांति हुई थी, इसी को लेकर क्रांति हुई थी कि हम संविधान के हिसाब से चलेंगे, हमारा देश भी संविधान के नियमों से चलेगा, जिसके लिए उन्होंने अपना एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया. एंड सिंस देन it has become a practice in all democracies to have a written constitution. और तब से हम आज तक देख सकते हैं कि हर देश के पास अपना एक written constitution होता है, जो वहाँ के लोगों को दिशा और निर्देश तय करता है कि लोगों का क्या अधिकार है और लोग अपने लाइफ को कैसे जी सकें. So students, in this video we tried to understand that what is the importance of the constitution and how it's very necessary, especially for the democratic country. So in this video, hope you understood about the constitution. In next video students, we will try to study about making of the Indian constitution. Till then, you study whatever paragraph I had taught you in this video, read it properly, understand. Wherever you have any confusion, ask to me, I will try to give your answer. Thank you students.